This presentation will introduce you to the comprehensive range of products and services offered by Lighting Controls Ltd, as well as giving you an overview of the company's extensive experience and reputation in this industry. Our products, all manufactured in the UK, fall into two categories. First, we design and manufacture complete systems for the control of lighting and ancillary equipment. Second, we manufacture modular wiring systems. The focus of this presentation is our lighting control systems. If you visit our website www.lightingcontrols.ltd.uk and click on Products, you'll see both product ranges described in detail with a comprehensive downloadable catalogue for each range. Lighting Controls was founded in 2004 by key personnel who were already established experts in their field. In 2007, we responded to our customers' requests and expanded into modular wiring. Then in 2012, in order to better control the supply chain, product quality and the flexibility to react to customer demands for new and specialised products, we established a manufacturing facility here in the UK in Farnham, Surrey. Since its inception, Lighting Controls has established a formidable reputation designing, supplying and commissioning lighting control systems in almost every type of environment, including schools, hotels, casinos, business parks, airports, shopping malls, spas, theatres. The list is endless. Every new project starts with understanding clients' needs at a detailed level, from scheduling emergency lighting tests to monitoring power usage, from car park illumination to in-house cinema and conference rooms, to the control of blinds, air conditioning and AV equipment. It is our job to understand your needs and configure detailed plans for every lighting zone on every floor. We then specify precisely the right components for your exacting needs. From the modest to the highly complex, our exceptional team of engineers will configure the optimum control system for your facility. But it is in more complex facilities that our head-end software package comes into its own. This graphics-based system enables you to see on any Office PC, laptop or tablet the exact status of any luminaire in any zone of the network in real time, or to make changes as they're needed. It also enables remote diagnosis by Lighting Controls engineering staff from our facility in Farnham, Surrey. All the legally required emergency lighting test procedures can be scheduled, saving manpower and the possibility of human error. The reporting facilities are comprehensive and can show historical usage down to individual areas at any time of the day or night. Watch this demo for a more complete explanation of the power of this software package.
Floor plan shows the current status of all the luminaires within the building. The icons change colour depending on their state, so you can quickly see the status of a whole floor. For example, these lights are on because the PIRs have been triggered, while the lights in this room are off. The circular symbol containing the letter E designates an emergency luminaire. Selecting a luminaire shows additional information. For example, you can see the brightness and the time it was last changed. Or, for this daylight sensor, you can see the current light level. This fitting is highlighted in red because it has a lamp fault and the lamp needs changing. A list of active faults are displayed on the dashboard. By double-clicking an icon, the setting can be edited. Here I can set the brightness of a lamp. Set the brightness of a scene. Or change the sensitivity and timeout period of a PIR. The menu on the left-hand side shows the fittings by room and allows selection of another floor. This floor plan illustrates a larger building. The status of the system is monitored constantly, and this can be used to illustrate the energy use within the building. Reports can be generated showing system status. The data can also be exported into a spreadsheet program, such as Excel. Our system contains a powerful scheduler, which can be configured to switch lamps on and off at certain times of the day. If emergency luminaires are connected to the lighting system, then you can schedule one-off or repeat tests. If the emergency luminaires are Dali inverters, which report the results of emergency tests, then a full test history is recorded in accordance with IEC 62034.
The exact regulations that govern the testing of emergency lighting may depend on the use of your commercial premises, but BS 5226 and the Regulatory Reform Fire Safety Order 2005 cover many commercial buildings, including offices, schools and hospitals. The tests outlined and legally required are time-consuming and may have to be conducted on luminaires that are out of easy reach. The use of our head-end software package can save an average office building several man-days per month, and even more for the arduous annual duration tests. Remember, it's not just the testing that is required, it is the reporting as well. Automating these procedures helps protect users from the possibility of steep penalties due to inadequate record keeping. Using the head-end software package, emergency lighting tests can be carried out when the building is vacant, or in a 24-hour facility, the software can be programmed to test one emergency luminaire out of each zone sequentially, cycling around the zones, so that testing is barely perceptible to occupants of the building. From time to time there may be extraordinary events in the facility, an open day or a weekend training course. The head-end software offers you the facility to temporarily reprogram your lighting to cope with these events. Perhaps car park lighting needs to stay illuminated later than usual or over a weekend, or conference rooms kept lit when the luminaires are normally motion sensing. As you saw in the video, changes such as these are easily achieved with the head-end software. So what can we control other than lighting? Almost anything that is powered by electricity. Our control network components provide switched inputs and are compatible with Dali or CAN bus devices. All this can be operated from a scene plate, or, especially for that professional sales or training presentation, using our remote control. The remote can be programmed to do anything that a scene plate can achieve. And since we have design engineers, graphic artists, and we manufacture all under the same roof, your remote will have a custom graphic for clear, unambiguous indication of which button controls what. As well as designing networks that are compatible with industry standards and being able to control items not usually networked, we have incorporated many features that save you time and money. The comprehensive drawings generated by our design engineers indicate clearly how component parts are interconnected. The cables we supply are pre-terminated, and commissioning can be accomplished wirelessly for dramatic time savings. Additionally, should any lighting control module need to be replaced at some time in the future, it is not necessary to recommission the system. Simply remove the memory chip from the old LCM and plug it into its replacement. Coupled with the remote diagnostics offered by our head-end software, our systems have the lowest cost of ownership in the industry. For further information on Lighting Controls products, please email info@lightingcontrols.ltd.uk or call one of our sales engineers on 01252 470027. Thank you.